Welcome back to the channel, guys. Here we are at the creek again. Got my buddy Lance with me. No, on a white worm. But what is this? Hey, oh, she's a beaut. She's a beaut. Look at that. I'll show you what I caught it on. Oh, wow, look at that. There was another one with her. There she goes. Go, girl. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Strange. Well, what I did, all I did was cut a white Cinco in half. That is all I did. But it's only stupid if it doesn't work. So now what I'm going to do here, there. Got him?
Didn't even see him bite it and pick it up so gentle.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's like
a pound.
Pound and a quarter.
Picked it up so gentle.
Mm-hmm.
I only noticed it when I saw my line move.
That's a good little
He's
fish.
fat.
Yeah.
Yep. So they don't want.
Back to the shallows.
They don't want the big ones.
No,
The little
they want something.
They want the medium fat ones. All right, we'll supply it. Oh.
See something?
Like a little 8-inch right there. Oh yeah, wrong.
Got him?
Yeah. That's good. For this section of the river?
Yeah. That is a good one. Another pound and a quarter.
Yeah. They are fat now, dude. They're eating on the old cutoff. There was another one with him.
Yeah. So they're pairing up.
Yeah, a little bit smaller than that.
You see that?
Yeah.
It went airborne.
What are you casting?
I was a worm, but I wacky rigged it with a nail weight on the inside. Good little fish.
That's some aggressive action right there.
Yep. Oh.
You hook him in the gills?
It's doable. No, I thought he took the hook, the barb all the way down. But it's doable. We got him. And he's free to go. See you, little guy. And then I had a good bite yesterday, punching, flipping those reeds. Wasn't ready for it. I think it had gone too long between bites, and I just kind of flipped it in there and then, ah, come on, I wasn't even ready for it. Along that edge right there. Boom, come on, baby.
I don't know how I'm gonna feel that bite.
Got him? You're on. There you go.
I saw my line just
There you go.
taking off. Dude.
What are you throwing?
That same worm I caught a fish on. Been casting him for an hour now.
Oh, that's a good little fish.
I was like, how am I gonna feel that bite? And literally right after that, I just saw my line taking off. Yep. There's 3 on the same worm. There we go.
Not with 8-pound test.
I don't think I can.
Oh, that's a good one.
I don't think I can put them out. We're just gonna have to go for it, yeah?
Grab him, lip him, lip him. Got him. Where'd you throw at?
Freaking frog. This is a $1 Walmart special frog.
You know weigh him?
Yeah, he blew it up on the top.
Where at?
Right here.
I
was about to pull it out the water and he just...
I had the same thing happen, but I missed him.
Whew. Well, my first fish on a frog.
Now you're a believer.
I won't use anything else. Come on.
I'm gonna say 3 and 3.310. Mm-hmm.
If I can even get this thing on. Yeah. $3.22. Oh, what a fish! First frog fish ever. Yeah, go make bait.
322, so that would be
3 pounds 4 ounces.
yeah,
Roundabout.
a quarter, like 3.3. Well, hell, let me go try to go get mine over here.
Just blew up.
Got another one. Oh, good one. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, he's on. Here we go. Whoa. I flipped him. He's in. She's in. You don't?
Oh, right.
That's 2 hits in a row.
Nice one. On the blue worm? Oh, the red worm.
Mm-hmm. Hook is out. She'll be fine.
You want to wait or you want to throw it back in?
Yeah, let's wait. Why not? She's got sticks in her mouth. She's been eating sticks.
You got a lead weight down there somewhere? Yeah.
2-2.
2-3.
2-3.
So.
Not a bad little fish. Hey, that's a good fish.
Yep. They're healthy in this.
Yeah, they sure are. You're tearing them up today, boy.
Yep.
You
I like
are
that
killing
blue
it.
Worm. A little tiny guy. I felt him hit it.
Yeah.
Just went.
I'll get one of these days. Well, just today's your day. That's period. That's it. If you like the video, hit like, comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe for more content. If you like what you see, subscribe, hit that notification button so you get alerts when I post the video. And as always, have a good day.